It's only like a little hit, so I guess it's not too bad. Still got a ways to go though. Oh my God, hi! Oh my God, I haven't seen you guys in forever. Wow, so much has happened. For starters, how's everybody doing? How you doing? How you be? Talk to the AB. And wow, I'm surprised I still remember that. This is actually my second take of this. The first take I did of it, I was actually using a camera that was putting my face above my head, and it was just making things just really uncomfortable for everybody. I mean, basically you just saw my teeth and neck. You didn't really see anything else, but I liking this one a lot better. It's working out pretty good. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It actually is giving me a better crop than what I was originally thinking of. So what happened was I have moved. I basically used to live in Texas. Now I live in Florida. I used to live in a condo. Now I live in a house. So a lot has happened. A lot of things have happened life-wise and just moving on wise. And I didn't really move on from YouTube. It's just that I think YouTube is one of those situations where you have to put yourself in a position where you don't need YouTube for anything. I think that you get along better and it's easier to make more content when you don't need it. You just enjoy doing it. So like, for example, doing it for free. So if you can do YouTube for free, then it's perfect for you. But if you are using it because you need to make money right then and there, you got yourself a problem on your hands, because that can cause all kinds of problems with everything. Is this okay to show? So, oh yeah, this is the crib. This is the upstairs. I think when it comes to YouTube, I think that it's easier to hang out and do YouTube and everything like that when you don't have to worry as much. I think whenever you're trying to do it to make some type of an income, you usually always fail. At least that's what happened in my case. And on top of that, just being consistent. So now I'm forcing myself to make a video once every day. So we'll see how that goes. There's also gonna be a lot of technical stuff, helping people with gaming issues, things of that nature. You know how we do. So we'll do that from here and there. But overall, this is kind of me getting back to form. This is episode 1 of everything. And also me trying to test out this version of vlogging to see if I like it. I also am getting ready to start building a office. I will show you guys how it's going. It's getting there. I still got some work to do. What I'm trying to do is there is this idea got put in my head by Potato Jet, shout out to him. But essentially I wanted to create kind of like a window, like a background that I can constantly keep changing because I have a lot of things that are happening and going on. And so I wanted to do that. And so I'm working towards that. So basically I have this going on. So here, you know, we have essentially 3 55-inch screens, put them in portrait mode. And essentially I have just a bunch of stuff, moving everything, getting all my monitors together. And here is the office. It's getting there, it's coming along. Got a lot of stuff I need to do, but I mean, hey, I'm just now getting back to this YouTube thing. So you guys will have to bear with me. It's getting there. I do like the idea of being able to make videos anywhere. Only being able to make it at my desk was kind of irking me. So I feel a little bit more free now. I feel a little bit happier than what I was doing previously. And it was very frustrating because it was hard to make content when, you know, you don't like where you are in life and that kind of thing. So I am happy that I'm moving on here. So yeah, join me in my battle for creating a new office so that I can make more content and everything like that. So that's what I'm currently getting together. I will be making more content, more videos. So be expecting that. And I got to edit this one on top of that. And you guys will be with me every step of the way as I make this office into something that I like being at or like doing. You know how it goes. All right, bye.